Question 20. Ollie drove 56 kilometres from Liverpool to Manchester. He then drove 61 kilometres from Manchester to Sheffield. Ollie's average speed from Liverpool to Manchester was 70 kilometres per hour. Ollie took 75 minutes to drive from Manchester to Sheffield. Partey, work out Ollie's average speed for his total drive from Liverpool to Sheffield. Quite a confusing looking question with lots of different bits of information in, so it's a good question to take one step at a time. The question wants us to work out Ollie's average speed. You have to go into the exam knowing that average speed is distance over time. So we need to find the complete distance from Liverpool to Sheffield and the time that it took him. So the complete distance was 56 kilometres from Liverpool to Manchester and 61 kilometres from Manchester to Sheffield. So in total he's driven 117 kilometres. The time is the one that's a little bit harder to work out. Ollie's average speed from Liverpool to Manchester was 70 kilometres per hour. If he's travelled at 70 kilometres per hour, to go 56 kilometres it would have taken you 0.8 of an hour, because you do 56 divided by 70 to get 0.8. If you had done 70 divided by 70, if you had gone 70 kilometres per hour and covered kilometres, you get 70 divided by 70, which is 1. It would take him 1 hour. Because he's gone 56 kilometres, this is less than 70 kilometres, so it's going to be less than an hour. So 56 divided by 70 is 0.8 of an hour. So from Liverpool to Manchester, it took 0.8 of an hour. I'm not going to convert that into minutes because I'm going to give my answers in kilometres per hour. I need to add my 0.8 of an hour to the time it took to get from Manchester to Sheffield, which was 75 minutes. I need to convert that into hours, which is 1.25 hours, 1.25 hours. And 1 hour 60 minutes is 15 minutes left. That's a quarter of an hour, which is 0.25. 1.25 plus 0.8 gives me a total time of 2.05 hours. And then on my calculator I do 117 kilometres divided by 2.05 hours, and I get 57.1 kilometres per hour. Janie drove from Barnsley to York. Janie's average speed from Barnsley to Leeds was 80 kilometres per hour. Her average speed from Leeds to York was 60 kilometres per hour. Janie says that the average speed from Barnsley to York can be found by working out the mean of 80 kilometres per hour and 60 kilometres per hour. If Janie is correct, what does this tell you about the two parts of Janie's journey? It is unlikely Janie is correct, but if she is correct, it must mean that the distance from Barnsley to Leeds, this first part, and the distance from Leeds to York, the second part, are the same. It must be the same distance for you to be able to just add the speeds and divide by 2.